Charging your hydrogen water bottle is pretty straightforward, but there is a specific order to follow for safety. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, grab the charging cable that came with your bottle. It's usually a USB-C type. Now, here's the key part. Start by plugging the USB end of the cable into the power adapter. Then plug that adapter into the wall outlet. Only after that should you connect the other end to the water bottle. You'll find the charging port typically on the side of the bottle. Once you plugged it in, look for a light that shows it's charging. Most bottles have this feature. It usually takes 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. When it's done, here is another important step. Unplug the charger from the wall outlet first, then disconnect the cable from your bottle. This order helps prevent any potential electrical issues. For how often to charge, just keep an eye on the battery level and top it up when it's running low. If you just bought your bottle, you might need to give it an extra long first charge before using it. One last safety tip, always use the charger that came with your bottle or one that the manufacturer recommends. It's not worth risking damage to a device with an incompatible charger. So remember, it's plug into the wall first, then connect to the bottle. And when you're done, unplug from the wall first, then the bottle. Follow these steps and you'll be all set to enjoy your hydrogen used water safely and efficiently.